case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, an armed robbery occurred at a Kansas City credit union that came to be known as United States v. McNeal. This salient case was determined by the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit. Two brothers, Bobby and Terry McNeal, were apprehended and found guilty of the daring crime. However, they refused to accept their conviction without a fight, pointing to alleged errors in the indictment, erroneous jury instructions, inconsistencies in eyewitness testimonies, and a potential prosecutorial misconduct. During the criminal proceeding, the prosecution presented compelling evidence including the stolen spoils amounting to $4,966.09 and a Colt Diamondback .38 caliber revolver, forcibly taken from one of the security guards. The gun was later found in possession of a woman, Joaquina O'Neill, who claimed to have purchased it from Terry McNeal. Upon being shown surveillance photos, she positively identified both Terry and Bobby as the culprits. Bobby was charged with wielding a chrome .22 caliber handgun during the robbery, while Terry was linked to the Colt Diamondback revolver. Despite their appeals and allegations of impropriety, the 10th Circuit Court found the brothers' arguments unpersuasive, asserting that the indictment contained sufficient information to convict them. The appeals court ruled that the jury was appropriately instructed, and that the eyewitness testimonies, though varied, strongly established the brothers' guilt. During the proceedings, the court addressed alleged prosecutorial misconduct, acknowledging some confusion during the trial about which brother had committed certain actions. However, the court ultimately deemed any error attributable to the misconduct as insignificant and harmless beyond a reasonable doubt. This was particularly so since the prosecution's case, reinforced aside from unreliable testimonies, did not solely rely on the identification of prosecutors or a single eyewitness. In the high-stakes world of federal court, the McNeal brothers failed to convince the judges about the alleged errors during their trial. Their sentences were upheld, marking a significant turning point in the intersection of evidence sufficiency and procedural correctness in robbery cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.